welcome back to my channel. Today we're at the airport in Split. We're going to Vienna and then from there we're going to Barcelona. The airport is pretty nice, so now we're going to our plane. Bye, see you at Vienna. Guys, so now we're in Vienna. Now we're on the flight to Barcelona. Well, we're on our gate, and well. We went on the wrong side of the airport, and there's no way back, so we walked like half of the airport. So now we're going down to our gate. Okay, so again, this is a one-way exit again, and it says that it's here, but I don't. This is it. Yo, are you kidding me? So now we're going to our actual gate, which is a long way to go. It's at 20 minutes of walking. So that's a lot of walking. So now we arrived at Barcelona. We're at the airport. We're going to pick up our luggage and then go to our hotel. So now we're at our hotel. Now what are you doing here? So this is my brother's room. He already got here somehow. I have no idea how. Hey guys, now we're in Barcelona, so now we're going to go to the port. Came to the boat expo. This time we actually brought my brother. I was here last year. My brother was sick, so he couldn't come. So this is kind of like a water card. Why does it exist? So we came on a boat, so now I'm going to check it out. So here's where you would sleep. Bathroom. Here's another bathroom. Here's
Pero es que cada...
couches. So I was walking by and saw this store, only wood. They have phone protectors made out of wood. This doesn't look like wood. It probably is, but they have a lot of choices. A lot of choices. So now, they were printing something, and we realized we can print our own stuff. So we made a personalized home charger out of wood. Here it is. And there's a wooden calculators that actually work. Of a mountain in Barcelona. And next we're going to the cable cars. Guys, so now we're going to go on to the cable cars. They're right over here. Hi guys, so now I'm driving to a theme park called Barcelona Park. Taxi. It's like a 1-hour drive. And so see you there. Okay, so we just arrived in Ferrari land. So immediately I found one roller coaster where I'm never gonna go. That one.